Hello guys and gals, my name is Sambo and this is my review for Ethereum USD using my preferred software for market analysis and looking at the charts, which is TradingView. Now, just a little bit about myself and my connection with TradingView. Not much of a connection, but I have a relationship with TradingView, an intimate one. But no, I've been using TradingView for about 5 years. I started trading full time for about 5 years ago, and even before that, I used TradingView to do my analysis. I really like the simplicity of it. I really like the fact that you can use dark mode. There is a light mode as well that you can use, but it has a lot of features to it. I like the fact that it's really easy to use. You can draw your tools on here very easily. It's kind of like it's very user friendly, I would say overall. So I really do enjoy using TradingView. It's pretty accurate when it comes to looking at the prices. And the cool thing is you can actually also connect your broker, whatever broker you're using, and they're adding new brokers frequently. So if your broker is not on there, I would say just wait a bit, especially if it's they add the major brokers, the more what do you call it? The more well-known brokers, I should say, the more established brokers they add on here. So without further ado, let's jump into Ethereum USD. Probably what you're waiting for, what you want to listen to. Now, take this with a grain of salt. I'm not a professional. I'm not a advisor. I just been studying charts for a long time, as well as trading them. I apply whatever I learn in my theories into the markets and test them out myself. And I've been pretty good and successful at them. So I do want to share some of this knowledge, but again, take this with a grain of salt. Always use proper risk management, use your own strategies, make sure it follows and according to your own strategy that you're using if you're going to be trading this. If you're just using this for educational purposes and just want to observe, then I say that's a good idea. And just take my advice and see if it resonates or not. So we're looking at to start off with, we saw this big push down on the daily, and we're seeing a bit of a range form, and this range has been happening for the past few weeks. Now the big notice right here is this push off, this breakout above the 1400 level, and this seems to be a pretty valid breakout because of the amount of volume that we see here. Coming up to it, there wasn't much volume. It's been pretty steady. It looks like there was an accumulation of orders. Maybe some buyers were just getting ready, stepping in, just placing their orders quietly while no one was looking. And then we saw a big push up, and that push seemed to be, fueled by all these traders coming in to buy it up even more. And now we saw a bit of a pullback, not too much, and now we're seeing a push up, and now we're seeing another pullback. So this looks pretty healthy. This looks like a good run. We're seeing highs continue to happen, higher highs and higher lows. I do expect, or not even expect, I want to see if these guys will push it even further. My expectation is that it'll reach the 1800 level. Now, of course, that those expectations can change if price seems to, if buyers can't push right above this level here, above the let's see, what level is that, the 1660 level, and we see a bit of pullback or slash retracement all the way back to the 1400 level. So right now it looks pretty good on the daily. We are seeing higher highs, like I said, continue. The trajectory looks like they're going to be pushing it up to the 1800 level, just because last time it hit here, we saw a big push and some big action. It triggered a lot of sellers to come in. So we'll see if they come back. Now, just going into the 1 hour, I don't like to go any further than the 1 hour unless you're one of those day traders. If that's the case, then yeah, for sure. But if you're a long-term holder, which I'm assuming a lot of these cryptocurrency people are, again, I could be wrong. Maybe there are a lot of short-term traders. But if you are one of those long-term guys, then I would look at the 1 hour chart. And as we're seeing, the pullback isn't very deep. It's pretty shallow. And we're seeing, in fact, these minor price levels slash support and resistance areas being broken. So looks like these buyers could come back and push it forward, and we'll see from there. So that's my quick analysis for Ethereum USD. If you like what you see, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll be making more videos like these, helping out the beginner trader, even the more advanced or intermediate trader who wants to get a sort of refresher and just going back to basics and looking at, chart analysis and all that. Chart analysis is fairly accurate. It goes hand in hand with fundamental analysis as well. But I really like using TradingView to do all this stuff, and one of the big things is saving my layout. I get to make all these edits, do this nice little drawing on here, and I get to save this onto, say, a watch list, onto a layout, and I get to carry that with me and take it with my mobile phone onto another device. So, if you're considering using TradingView, test it out. They have a free version. You can just play around with it and see from there. Anyways, thanks, and take care. Trade well.